I'm Jim Douglas. I was a friend of Herbie's.
Pika Pika.
I think we need to talk. You mind if I take a look?
It's worse than you think.
Well, don't worry. I've seen pretty bad. Oh, Herbie.
Pika Pika.
Oh, my little car.
I'm sorry, but if you used to own Herbie, then...
He built the car 30 years ago.
Well, nice job, because he's amazing. Well, was.
And will be again.
That'll be a good trick.
He's pretty far gone, Mr. Douglas.
Real.
All we need is a computerized metalworks factory with total parts replication facilities.
Yeah, well, that's fine, but all we have is Chuck's. Sorry, Chuck. But what are we even talking about?
We're gonna rebuild him.
Right, Pikachu?
Pika Pika.